Amazing. Hello. Wow.
Woo! Thank you so much for coming today.
Aparna, you look like a student.
I tried.
Okay, you look like an absolute student, but here you are. You're the head of India Originals Amazon Prime Video. And I think that that's amazing. It deserves a round of applause. It's also girls. It's a woman. I'm very excited about that. I'm very excited. Because you give me so much inspiration that we can go on and do this.
Sisterhood.
Sister. All right. Were you the sort of kid who was studious or the one who would get into trouble?
I think I was a good student.
You were a good student.
I was a good student. I was good in some subjects, and I was passionate about some others.
Okay.
And whatever I was passionate about, I immersed myself into it.
You know, and here you are, you're bringing out a show that looks so interesting. You know, you guys in this room are the first people in the world who are going to watch the trailer of Crash Course. Aparna, you've lived with this show for a while. So why don't you tell my wonderful friends here, what is it about and why is it important to Amazon Prime Video?
Thank you. And so happy that all of you could join us today. This is such a momentous occasion. One rainy afternoon, the creator of this show had come to meet us. And within 20 minutes, we knew that this is a story that must be told. And so excited that 2.5 years later, here we are sharing the first look of the show with all of you. You know, at Prime Video, we want to tell stories that are truly rooted, stories that are authentic, stories that will resonate with the length and breadth of this country, stories that will provide little windows into the many Indias that coexist here. And I'm so excited that this story will take you right into the classrooms and hopefully the hearts of many, many people. This is a very, very special show. It's a show about many firsts. This show is about the first time that you leave the threshold, cross the threshold and come out. This is the time that you want to be independent, the first relationship, the first heartbreak, your dreams when they turn into fiery passion. This is also our first collaboration with Owlet Films and Manish Hariprasad and their passion that they brought to this show. This is a show that got us Vijay Maurya.
Yes!
The inimitable Anu Kapoor.
Yes, Anu Kapoor.
The incredible cast that have infused this show with their passion. This show, it negotiates, for some it'll be relatable, it'll be identifiable, and for a lot of us it'll be like a memory, like a walk down the memory lane. I'm really excited, and I'd love to know what each one of you identifies with on this show.
Well, thank you, Aparna. Give her a big hand, guys. This is amazing, amazing. So please stick around on stage with us while we invite some of the names that you already said that are with us at this point. All right, up next, invite the producer and directors of the show. जो producer हैं हमारे, कभी हमें चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस पर ले चलते हैं, है ना? तो कभी घन चक्कर कर देते हैं, तो कभी पतंग उड़ाते उड़ाते कई पोचे भी करवाते हैं. So there are lots of reasons why that I want to talk to him today about Crash Course. But for right now, please put your hands together and welcome Manish Hariprasad, the creator of Crash Course. Can't stop. Thanks. So, ये महाशय जिनको मैं तो शौहर ही बुलाती हूँ अपना, क्योंकि गाना ही गाना है तो गजल गा लो, आपके मामू को भी बहुत पसंद है. ये एक लाइन उन्होंने लिखी थी और मुझे दी थी गली बॉय में, which I got a chance to say. But he's truly one of the most talented people from the country. When it comes to writing, there isn't a writer like Vijay Maurya, and we all know that. But today he wears the hat of a director. You guys have seen his projects, right from Black Friday. I'm a fan of Black Friday. Hunter. Any fans of Gully Boy? A Thursday and many more. Director Sahab of Crash Course today for us. Vijay Maurya, please. पहला सवाल तो यही है कि लाइफ में कौन सी चीज की क्रैश कोर्स ली है आपने विजय, पहले ये बताइए। कौन सी चीज की क्रैश कोर्स ली है लाइफ में?
क्रैश कोर्स हुई है लाइफ में.
हाँ, ली
Everything.
है। Everything has been a crash course.
Yeah, everything is a crash course for me. Yeah.
Why did you think, मनीष, कि ये जो premise है या ये जो दुनिया है इसे explore करना जरूरी है आपके लिए?
अगर आप अलग अलग तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में सोचते हैं तो शायद ये सब्जेक्ट एक बहुत आसान सब्जेक्ट है जिससे हर एक कोई रिलेट कर सकता है. या तो लोग स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं या स्टूडेंट्स रहे हुए होते हैं, और इसलिए अगर आप अच्छा एक इस तरह का एक टॉपिक बता सकते हैं तो मेरे ख्याल से हर एक किसी को या तो वो नॉस्टैल्जिया में जाता है या वो अपने प्रेजेंट में रहता है. सो ईदर यू आर अ स्टूडेंट और यू वुड बी अ स्टूडेंट और यू हैव बीन अ स्टूडेंट एंड यू वुड लव इट.
Absolutely. What was your favorite subject when you were a student?
द स्पोर्ट्स क्लास.
Sports class. विजय जी, आपका?
सॉरी, मैं साइंस स्टूडेंट हूँ. मैंने केमिस्ट्री में ग्रेजुएशन किया है और पॉलीमर केमिस्ट्री में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन.
Oh my God.
सो मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ा लिखा हूँ. सॉरी.
Love it, love it. Great. Thank you so much for joining us at this point, of course. I know there's a lot of our faculty from Crash Course that, seated right here. So would you guys give them a big shout and a big hand, please? All of them. Thank you so much for being with us. We'll have you on stage sometime. But for right now, let's call these 8 fresh faces. I'm very excited to see them on the stage at this point. Put your hands together and make some noise for the cast of Crash Course. Are they ready? They were eating burgers, huh? I want to complain about them. Look, burger खा के ready हो तुम लोग? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get on. Mohit Solanki. Ritu Hawan. Anushka Sharma. Ritik Kumar. Bhavesh Balchandani. Aryan Singh. Hetu Dara. Andresha Vich. Hi Anuji, how are you? You're looking very, very smart.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Anuji, I have been a fan of you since, मतलब मिस्टर इंडिया से पहले भी. लेकिन मुझे हमेशा से जानना होता है कि what is the thing about a project जो आप जैसे not just actor but an artist को excite करती है. Please मुझे बताइए.
First of all, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to Amazon Prime Video for creating this original series for Amazon, and the showrunner, creative head, and conceptualizer, Mr. Manish Hariprasad, and last but not least, my superb director, Mr. Vijay Maurya. And to proceed further, powerful script, contemporary, although it's a work of fiction, but the base of fiction is always in its foundation based on some real incident, real happenings, or a maker gets inspired by the real happenings. So powerful script, powerful presentation, powerful, everything powerful. So there was no scope for a struggler like me to say no to Mr. Manish Hariprasad, or Mr. Vijay Maurya.
I love it. Anuji, did you just call yourself a struggler, Anuji? Because did he just do that? He did that, right? You're a legend, Anuji, please. Anuji, I want to ask you, what is the one thing that the audience, especially students, can look forward to from a series like Crash Course? Like, is there a message for students, and what does it stand for?
It has amalgamation of many things which you will be able to witness, you will be able to observe and see and watch in Crash Course. Besides study, competition, and instinct to succeed in your life, you'll find love and romance and lust and many other things, maneuvering and manipulation, political manipulation, and and the rivalry between the two groups to supersede each other. Everything is there. You will watch yeah, it's very, very interesting.
बस अनुज जी सिर्फ आपका साथ और आपका आशीर्वाद. I really wanted him to be with us on the stage in any form possible. And now that you've graced our stage today, Anuj ji, thank you so much for joining us. A big hand for Mr. Anu Kapoor, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Thank you, Anuj ji. For right now, you're too funny. Who is this guy? मैं इसको ले जाने वाली हूँ घर पे साथ में. He's too funny. Okay, so since you guys were backstage, you all had no idea what happened front stage. So the trailer played twice. And can you give them the reaction for Crash Course so that they can feel it? Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Aparna, I want to start with you. I hope that there is a mic coming around to you. Thank you, Anushka. That'll be great if you can pass it around. Did you expect this response or did you hope for this response?
Both. I hoped and I absolutely expected. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And do you want to tell the audience something? When is it coming out? Vagera, vagera.
Just stay tuned. 5th August it is.
5th August. All right.
5th
That's great.
August, this
All right.
incredible show. And I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to this college, Principal Ma'am Jaktiani. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
hosting us today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to take this to Anuji. Anuji, I'm going to take this to you. Once again, you've added a new feather to your hat. Talk to us about Mr. Jindal and how fun it was to create a character like this.
हिंदी में बोलो इंग्लिश में बोलो
सर आप बोलिए सर यहाँ पे
नहीं,
इंग्लिश
हिंदी में बोलो इंग्लिश में बोलो
प्रिंसिपल साहिबा से पूछते हैं प्रिंसिपल
एक तो
साहिबा
सबसे पहली बात ये है
हाँ
कि अपने Amazon प्राइम की कंटेंट हेड
जी हाँ।
हैं के बॉस हैं इनकी स्माइल जो है बड़ी कंटेजियस है फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट हाँ
so sweet.
बड़ी अच्छी मुस्कान लगती है ऐसे ही खुश रहिए ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you Anuji. Thank you so much.
मैं पहली बार भी जब इनसे मिला था अभी कुछ महीने पहले तब भी ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहिए अच्छा लगता है मुस्कुराती लड़की बहुत अच्छी लगती है
Thank you Anuji. Thank you Anuji.
और मैं ये कोई पन और विट और ह्यूमर में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं तो वो जानता ही नहीं फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट
शुक्रिया
गॉड
sir.
ब्लेस यू
Thank you Anuji.
again the show creator show runner Mr. Manish Hari Prasad and Mr. Vijay Maurya. Thankful you allowed me to do what I conceived Jindal as a character to present on screen. No actor in the world can go beyond the script. Not even Robert De Niro or Al Pacino. Not even Sir Sidney Poitier, not even Katharine Hepburn or Meryl Streep. Yeah. Don't ask me why I'm taking the name from the Hollywood icons. We can discuss later. But you allowed me. Thank you very much. And Channel also approved me. Whole scene I'm doing in using an accent, regional accent and speaking English. Though I'm not speaking wrong English, but speaking English in an accent from Rajasthan. Thank you Manish ji and thank you Vijay ji and thank you Aparna ji.
Thank you. Thank you Anuji. So many G's just happened. I love it.
नहीं अच्छी बात है नहीं जी बोलना चाहिए
I love
ये
it.
बोलना चाहिए
I
बिल्कुल।
love it, Anuji. I love it. I mean,
क्योंकि
I'm very
आप
with you.
अमेरिकन नहीं हो आप कैनेडियंस
Absolutely.
नहीं हो
Absolutely.
आप डच नहीं हो
Absolutely.
आप जो हैं वो भारतीय हैं और आपकी पहचान अगर zebras if they lose the stripes from their body टट्टू
Correct.
खच्चर और गधे में कोई फर्क नहीं रह जाएगा
You
ना
know-
तो जी बोलो अच्छी बात है बेटा
You know, Anuji, what's also interesting is that the show drops in the month of August, and there is no better month to celebrate our country, patriotism, and all the G's. So I want to give it up for the OG, Anuji. Yeah?
and 5G
OG. All right. Manish, Vijay. I want to ask Vijay, Dinanath Chauhan. आप आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे कि आपने ट्रेलर बना तो दिया and we saw it. The audience has seen it for the first time. Talk to me about being a director for this project. what happens when you're a director and how important is this partnership? बताइए हमें.
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. एक जोरदार ताली हो जाए मेरे काम इनके लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. सिट दिस. थैंक यू अपर्णा जी. थैंक यू. मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. अन्नू जी के लिए एक बात पहले मैं बोलूँगा. मेरे पास एक छोटे छोटे पौधे थे. ये छोटे छोटे पौधे जो होते हैं ना, छोटे छोटे.
जी हाँ.
मनीष मेरे पास एक क्रैश कोर्स नाम का गार्डन लेके आए कि इसमें इन पौधों को बिठाना है.
हाँ जी.
और मेरे पास एक बरगद का पेड़ है जिसका नाम है अनु कपूर.
अनु कपूर. Woo!
सो उस गार्डन में बरगद का पौधा उठा के लगाना मुश्किल था. सो वी ट्राइड बिल्डिंग अ गार्डन अराउंड दैट बरगद का ट्री इज मिस्टर अनु कपूर साहब. सो ये मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी था बोलना. When Manish got this project to me, Aparna and Manish, and they thought about me in the pandemic situation where we all were stuck at home doing nothing, वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के मुझे लगा कि नहीं, इसका हिस्सा बनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैंने 2 से 2.5 साल इसको दिया. अपर्णा एंड मनीष तो पता नहीं कितने और समय से इस पे लगे हुए थे. एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल, ग्रैटिट्यूड टू ऑल ऑफ यू that I'm part of this project, and मुझे इन बच्चों से मिलने का मौका मिला, सीखने का मौका मिला. So this project Crash Course is really, truly is very close to my heart.
Congratulations once again. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you.
Now you tell me, इनमें से सबसे बड़ा बदमाश कौन है?
सब.
सब.
All of
सब.
them.
सब. मनीष जी, आपको जरा माइक में दे दूं. इनमें से, इनके किरदारों में से आप बताइए, आप किन के जैसे थे जब आप कॉलेज में थे?
एक्चुअली इनमें से हर एक के किरदार में थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा
मैं
सा
हूँ.
है?
थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं हर एक किरदार के अंदर थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं हूँ. लेकिन सत्या का जो कैरेक्टर है शायद वो सबसे ज़्यादा जो मेरे
जी हाँ.
दोस्त मुझको जिस तरह की गालियाँ देते हैं शायद सत्या को उसी तरह की गालियाँ पड़ती हैं. तो so yeah, so that would be the character.
That's the one
I'm
that's closest to you. Fantastic. Would you also tell me about the world? You know, ये एक बहुत specific world है जहाँ पर ये किरदार बसे हैं. आपने ये choices क्यों किए होंगे इस world के लिए?
काफ़ी कुछ इसमें से ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल भी है. और जब लिखने बैठे थे तो एक अपनी ज़िंदगी में 20 साल पीछे जाना पड़ा. उस वक्त जो हमें इमोशंस फील होते थे वो सारे इमोशंस वापस फील किए, उस तरह के कैरेक्टर्स लिखे. और ज़रूरी ये वाला जो समय है जो 17, 18, 19, 20 साल की जो उम्र है, यहाँ पे शायद आप बच्चों से और बड़े होने की जर्नी लेते हैं. जो कमिंग ऑफ एज जिसको कहा जाता है वो शायद इसी उम्र में होती है. इंसान उसके बाद में बदलता नहीं है. उससे पहले वो बच्चा होता है, इस समय में वो बनता है, और उसके बाद में जो इन 4 सालों में 4-5 सालों में बनता है वो ज़िंदगी भर वही रहता है. एंड which is why it was the most important story to tell when you start to tell a story about people. I think that's the most important time period to cover.
Absolutely.
And which is what we,
Absolutely. Thank
try
you
to
so
do.
much, Manish. That was so beautiful. I'm going to be fully principal and say, shh. चुप बच्चे मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. है ना? But you can be like relaxed. You can breathe and all. Like, okay, thanks. Just want to show respect to the guys on stage because it's their first show. It'll be really nice, guys. Thank you. All right, let's talk to you. All right, could you pass the mic around to my friends? What are you feeling? Okay, what are the reactions? Is there a story you want to tell us? And could you pass the mic on to everybody, please?
The excitement is like on cloud 9, of course. We have been waiting for this day since a very long time. And बहुत time से हम लोग wait कर रहे हैं सब साथ में. And finally वो दिन आ रहा है. 10 दिन में अभी है बस. तो excitement तो of course it's on cloud 9 and I'm pretty ready for it, I would say.
Pretty ready for it? Fantastic. Would you please pass it on to your co-actor? बताइए.
I'm extremely excited for the show. First and foremost, I'm really honored that I got to be a part of the Amazon Prime Video family, because even as an actor and artist, when you say that, you know, okay, I'm doing a show for Amazon Prime, people just look at you like, what? And I think all of us, when we go back home, we just want to like open Amazon Prime and like binge watch it. And to be a part of it right now, to be able to portray my abilities and to be able to perform in such an incredible show, which is directed by Vijay sir, it's written by Manish sir, by Raina. I'm extremely happy, delighted, privileged, and grateful for it. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Response?
Summed up already.
Summed up, right?
Actually,
What would you
she
like to
has.
add to this?
Oh man. So everybody, I mean, we went to Vijay Maurya sir's house and I mean, काफी लोगों ने trailer देखा. But I watched it today for the very first time. All I have to say, I'm very happy to see myself in the trailer.
Oh my God. Okay. Lots of
No,
emotions.
but honestly,
You know
it's
where?
just that,
Yeah. Please.
it's just that, I mean, it's 2 years we were living that life, and now we are delivering it. So, of course, this process was beautiful, but finally the outcome is such a beautiful outcome. It's difficult to, you know, put it into words, actually.
You know what? I have a very good idea because we're running crazy short on time. I'm going to pass on the mic and we're going to do this like a pop quiz again. One word to describe your feelings. Would you pass the mic on? Yes.
Okay, since it's the one,
One word, sorry.
I feel it's magical.
Magical is your word. It's a great word. What's your word, Mohit?
Yeah, it's magic for me.
Magic for you too? Aryan?
It was a beautiful journey from subscribing to starring. Thank you, Amazon.
Copyright.
क्या बात है?
Sir, thank you, Vijay sir.
I know it's so. I wish we could talk more. Anvesha, what would you like to say?
I've had sleepless nights. I've been waiting for this since forever. It's just crazy that it's finally happening.
Crazy is your word. Got it. Crash course is crazy. For you?
Extremely grateful.
Extremely grateful. How beautiful. Oh God, I just want to say, I just want to do nazar, okay guys, just now, okay, for all of you. At this point, once again, can I please request the media to get ready for their questions and answers? But before that, can I please request the cast, the creators, as well as everybody on stage to kindly stand up in front for a photo opportunity, please. You can stand right here. Can we do the photograph first? Thank you. Could I please request you to come slightly together? Together. Yeah? Can I also request at this point the cast that is until now not yet on the stage with me to kindly come up on the stage, please? Thank you. So can I please ask all of you to join us on the stage? Thank you. Manu Uday, Udit Arora, Pranay Pachori, Siddharth Kak, Chirag Vora, Gaurav Sharma, and Bibita Bag. Thank you. At this point, could I please request the principal of RD National College, Dr. Neha Jagtiani, to kindly join us on the stage to felicitate this stellar ensemble. I just want to say rockstar! What a rockstar entry, ma'am. Would you please kindly join my wonderful cast? Yes, please.
So guys, we're so privileged to host the #1 channel in India, Amazon Prime Video. Can we hear it for them, guys? Come on, guys, in the balcony, I can't hear you. Can we have some more noise? And going forward, I'm sure this is going to be the #1 most watched series on Indian OTT platform. Here, guys. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to host. All of your familiar faces, can't believe you're actually here, and I'm sure these are rocking stars. Thank you so much, Aparna ma'am. Thank you. All the best to the producer, the director, Anuji over there. And I think you can't come to a college and not have it in student style. So for the cast and crew of Crash Course, let's have a 3 cheers. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Wishing you all guys all the very best.